Let's start by loading up our contacts here. So select contacts. Zoomed in here to protect some of the privacy of the many contacts that I have on the screen. But we're going to create contacts and create multiple contacts. From my AP Computer Science, for my class roster, I'm going to send a communication to all my students. It's going to give me all their email addresses. So I'm just going to copy that right here. I'm back on Google Contacts, having left my portal page. I'm just going to paste that copied link of all my students. Boom. And now I'm going to give this a label, and I'm going to add a new label for that class. Adding these guys into my contacts with this label. Cool stuff that I can do now that I have an AP Computer Science a label or group in my contacts. If I'm, say, on Google Calendar and I'm creating a new event, I can have a class meeting and I can ask for my AP Computer Science students to please attend this meeting. And I can then add a web conference. So now they'll all get an invitation to join me in a conference, and I can walk them through a PowerPoint. I have a PowerPoint in the works or Google Slides, and I want to share that with them directly. Wouldn't it be nice if I could just immediately send it all out to them, and then they would have it?